Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the True Trendline Indicator for MT4. This advanced technical analysis tool uses a sophisticated algorithm to identify trend direction and potential trend reversal points with greater accuracy than simple manual trend lines. In this video, you will see how the True Trendline works, how it differs from traditional trend lines, and which trading strategies are described. The True Trendline Indicator is a technical analysis tool used in forex trading to identify trend direction and potential trend reversal points by plotting a line on the chart that best fits into the price action, taking into account both the direction and the angle of the trend. The indicator is said to be more reliable than simple trend lines because it uses a more advanced algorithm to determine the trend and is not susceptible to false breakouts and whipsaws that often plague manual trend line drawing. By providing a more accurate representation of the price action compared to simple trend lines, the True Trendline Indicator allows traders to easily identify the trend direction and potential trend reversal points, helping them make informed and confident trading decisions. Alright, as you can see, we already have the indicator on a separate window down here, and it's quite easy to interpret and use actually. On the chart, the True Trend Line plots a line that adapts to price action automatically, adjusting the angle and direction based on the advanced algorithm rather than requiring manual adjustments. The line provides visual confirmation of trend strength and direction, making it easier to spot when trends are accelerating, decelerating, or potentially reversing. Unlike manually drawn trend lines that can be subjective, the True Trend Line offers consistency and removes human bias from trend line placement. As for the settings, let's take a look at the settings we have available. The inputs, we have the first arrow, which is default settings at 5, and the second S, which is default settings at 8. We can also customize our preferred colors and our preferred time frames as well. Alright, as for who is for, the True Trendline Indicator is suitable for traders who focus on trends and trend reversal points, providing improved trend analysis through its advanced algorithm compared to simple trend lines. Its strengths include ease of use with a clear line plotted on the chart, as you can see, and increased confidence in trading decisions by providing a clearer picture of market conditions. However, it is not a standalone tool and should always be used with multiple analysis techniques, including support and resistance levels, candlestick patterns, and chart patterns, and it can be misleading as it's based on past price action and may sometimes generate false signals requiring solid understanding of market conditions. You can download the True Trendline Indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how using an advanced algorithm to plot trend lines automatically can improve accuracy and reduce susceptibility to false breakouts. If you like automated trend line tools that eliminate manual drawing subjectivity, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.